Today you are going to be learning about quiz, quiz, trade. So what is quiz, quiz, trade? It's a Kagan strategy that helps to review material while incorporating a social aspect in the learning. To begin, you're going to start with what some of you may know as stand up, hand up, pair up. This is where students stand up, push their chair in, and raise their hand. They look for another student who has their hand in the air and high-five them to confirm that they are going to pair up. Once students are in pairs, they'll have an index card with a question or a vocabulary word, something that their educator wants them to review. For example, Student A will say to Student B, "What is the setting of a story?" And Student B will say that the setting is where the story takes place. If Student B does not know what the setting of a story is, Student A can give clues, but Student B should really be the one to answer the question. Once Student A's question is finished, they will give praise to Student B. "Great job, that was awesome, you did an awesome job." And then Student B will ask their question, which is, "What are characters?" Then Student A, if they know, will answer the animals or people in the story. Once again, if Student A does not know the answer, Student B can give them clues until Student A is able to answer the question by themselves. Once again, praise should be given to the partner. "You did an awesome job. I love the way you answered that." And then they will move on. The next part is that they trade cards. So if you noticed, Student A and Student B now have switched cards and are ready to go forward. Once again, the students who just finished will stand up, hand up, and look for someone else who has their hand up to pair up with. They will repeat the process. Student A will quiz Student B. When Student B answers, they will receive praise. Student B will then quiz Student A, and then Student A will receive praise. Then these two students trade their cards and move forward. This process will continue until the teacher states that time is up. Because the cards are constantly moving throughout the room, there are times where students may have the same card more than once. Return to whole group. This specific step is not part of quiz, quiz, trade, but this is something that I like to do in my class. Because the cards and the students are constantly moving throughout the room, it's difficult to assure that every student gets to see every single card. So I like to review all of the cards at the end of the Kagan strategy to be sure that each student is having that exposure, mainly because this is typically done as a review, so I want to be sure that each student has a chance to view each card, the question, and the answer. So an overview of quiz, quiz, trade. Using question cards, students quiz a partner, get quizzed by a partner, then trade and repeat with a new partner. Stand up, hand up, pair up. 2. Partner A quizzes. 3. Partner B answers. 4. Partner A coaches and or praises. 5. Switch roles. 6. Partners trade cards. And 7. Repeat steps 1 to 6 until the teacher calls time. And I like to add step number 8, where we review all of the cards as a whole group. Do you have any questions about quiz, quiz, trade?